Xiaomi bypassed Tesla and unveiled a real prototype of a humanoid robot for the home. It's going to be able to go shopping for you, do your chores, and even take care of your kids. CyberOne took the stage during a recent presentation, presented some flowers, talked a bit, and took selfies with雷军, the CEO of Xiaomi Robotics Laboratory. See what the robot can do, whether it's going to be better than Elon Musk's Optimus bot, and whether this appearance is just a PR move or not. All of this in today's one episode. At a glance, it's obvious that CyberOne closely resembles the Tesla robot in design, height, and weight, and it's hardly a coincidence. Xiaomi's bot is 177 centimeters tall and weighs 52 kilograms. Unlike the Optimus robot, which was presented by an actor in a costume, the CyberOne is a real prototype, which went on stage by itself and executed the presentation program without fail. The robot has a nickname, which can be translated as Metal Bro, as well as the sign of the zodiac Leo. It seems this may be important. Go ahead and look up the horoscope and write your guess below whether or not we should be expecting a rebellion of these robots in the future. The humanoid machine has curved OLED panels as its face, designed to display real-time information. The creators report that the robot can see the world in 3D thanks to the Mi Sensor module, developed by Xiaomi, to move and avoid obstacles, recognize people, and respond to them. The bot hears with the Mi AI Environmental Semantics Recognition System, which includes 2 microphones. But at the same time, CyberOne's able to distinguish and classify 45 human emotions and 85 types of environmental sounds. It's reported that the robot can recognize human speech and maintain conversation. The robot's body has 13 joints and a total of 21 degrees of freedom. At the same time, the reaction delay in the joints is 0.5 milliseconds, and the precision in movement of the upper limbs is up to 1 nm. So, this robot's quite capable of a gentle hug. The arm actuators have an output torque of up to 30 nm. The legs are driven by actuators with an instantaneous peak torque up to 300 nm. And the average speed of the CyberOne is 3.6 kilometers per hour. The characteristics are not bad, but the CyberOne is still far from the Atlas robot from Boston Dynamics. But the price is much more affordable. Already at the prototype stage, this robot costs between 600,000 and 700,000 won, which is roughly $90,000 to $105,000 right here in America. This means that in mass production, the CyberOne will become cheaper and cost as much as a good car, but that's only if the bot reaches the consumer. During the presentation, the robot was presented as an artificial intelligence-based machine that will do any housework with the dexterity of a human. It's reported that Xiaomi has developed a special whole-body control algorithm that can coordinate the movements of the bot. There is also information that the body of the robot is protected and can withstand heat and rain. However, we still don't know if the robot is stable on uneven surfaces or if it can withstand unbalanced movements or bumps. CyberOne's hands don't look nimble at all. With this design, the robot can only handle the simplest of tasks, and then only at a very limited list of objects. The payload capacity of the robot so far is unknown. By the way, the other day Tesla unveiled the robot arm Optimus, and although it's still a picture, potential functionality and the ability to work with the same objects as a person. Presentation of the robot should take place at the AI Day event, which was postponed until September, and then we'll be able to really compare CyberOne and the Tesla bot. Also, if you want to learn all the details of Elon Musk's humanoid robot project, check the video here in the link. Remember that CyberOne is Xiaomi Robotics Lab's second robot. Last August, the company triumphantly released the RoboPass Cyber Dog, which proved to be quite functional and dexterous. The open-source robot has 11 sensors on its body, including sensory and ultrasonic sensors, cameras, and GPS that help it interact with its environment. CyberDog uses NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX as its brain, which has been called the world's smallest artificial intelligence supercomputer. The CyberDog could follow its owner and traverse obstacles, determine posture, and track people's faces. Xiaomi produced 1,000 of these robots and sent them to interested developers. Will it repeat this move with the humanoid robot? It's not likely. The same CyberDog did not come for free, but for $1,540. Not much for a capable robot, but in no way does it commensurate the real price of the CyberOne. So what can we expect from this robot? Experts are skeptical so far, as the case with every statement of companies that are growing to create universal humanoids. But Xiaomi continues to develop as a company, and it's expected that we will see them continue to develop this robot, adding new features to it, and sharing it along the way. As雷军said, the company has invested heavily in research and development covering various areas, including innovations in software, hardware, and algorithms. This could suggest that Xiaomi has ambitions of its own in the field of humanoid robots, or that the robot is just a promotional project, hinting at developments that are taking place behind the scenes at the Xiaomi Robotics Lab. This was the case, for example, with Honda's Asimo robot, which for all its advancements never became anything other than a PR stunt for the company and the basis for other products. Nevertheless, many companies are developing humanoid robots and they're actually trying to make them useful and accessible. For example, PAL Robotics Talos, which is being developed specifically for work in factories, rescue operations, and in outer space. And at 1.5 centimeters tall, weighing 95 kilograms, having 32 degrees of freedom, and lifting 6 kilograms in each arm, we're excited to see its progress. More of the most advanced humanoid robots can be found on our channel and in the video here at the link. What do you think of all of this? Let us know down below in the comments. And hey, while you're here, subscribe to the PRO Robots channel, like this video, and don't miss any new episodes from the world of high tech.